How to fix the Instagram black screen issue. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's video, let's show some of the solutions to fix the black issue on Instagram account. Firstly, make sure you update the app. For this, head over to Play Store and on the search bar type in Instagram. If you see update button, make sure you tap on it. Moving on to step 2, you'll have to clear the cache and data. For this, long press Instagram application or icon, go to app info. After that, you have to click on the option of storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Likewise, you can click on clear storage. However, it is going to delete all of your data and you might have to log in again. Likewise, for the next step, you have to first stop the application. Confirm by tapping on OK and then restart your device. Once you restart your device, come back and log in again. And this should probably solve the black skin issue. And that is all for today's video. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, for any suggestion, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you and keep watching.